16. The Court of Record and the Book of Life. The lawful authority of a court of record is linked to the concept of the Book of Life. Documents, particularly those affecting one's legal identity or estate, must be entered into this book to gain legitimacy and invoke remedy. The speaker emphasizes that failing to ensure proper recording denies the individual access to lawful remedy under Admiralty. Footnote: proper recording in a court of record, akin to entry into the Book of Life, is essential to invoking Admiralty remedy. 17. Common law versus color of law, a jurisdictional mirage. Many assume they are protected by common law, yet what is commonly practiced is often merely the color of law, codes, statutes, and regulations devoid of true lawful authority. The speaker warns that what passes as common in courtrooms is often administrative policy masquerading as justice. Footnote: the so-called common law is frequently color of law, statutory policy disguised as lawful authority. 18. The nature of commercial codes as religious morality. Codes of law are portrayed as religious constructs derived from canon and ecclesiastical law, enforcing moral behavior through coercion rather than remedy. Admiralty, by contrast, operates under contracts and equity, offering a secular path of lawful resolution rather than imposed morality. Footnote: commercial codes are rooted in religious morality, while Admiralty provides a non-religious path to remedy. 19. Peace officers versus for-profit law enforcement. The transformation of sheriff's offices into departments signals a shift from public trust to commercial enterprise. Peace officers are constitutionally bound to maintain order without profit, yet modern departments enforce codes for revenue generation, violating foundational legal principles. Footnote: modern law enforcement acts commercially, violating the peace officer model bound by equity and public duty. 20. The constitutional definition of American status. The term American is redefined not by geographic birth but by legal status under Admiralty jurisdiction. An American is described as a prince or admiral on the land and sea, endowed with rights through constitutional protections and lawful recognition of their vessel. Status is not inherited but claimed through knowledge and action. Footnote: American status is legally established through Admiralty jurisdiction and not merely through birth or heritage.